guys, so in this video I'm going to show y'all how to organize yourself by having a quick to-do list that you can use on Google using Kanbie. And I think Kanbie is honestly super useful, super user-friendly. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to install it and how to use it. So go to apps, I go to web store. From web store I type in Kanbie, select enter, and of course it's this black and pink one right here. Checking, I click add extension. I wait, it's checking, and look at these icons right here at the top. And it's appeared, it's this little one. And you can either access it two ways. You can either click on it, which is one way of accessing it, or the other way is hitting the keyboard shortcut Alt-K, and your Kanbie list appears. So basically what we do is we have a label, so we can label whatever we want, like fish, fun, whatever, as long as we use the hashtag. And of course you can listen. So like, let's say I want to add something that I have to do. Let's say I have to go run, enter. Let's say I want to go bike as well, enter. And I can add these on my either like doing, like my to-do list, what I'm doing, and whenever I'm done I can just drag it over here. I think it's just a very helpful, Kanbie is very helpful in keeping it organized and working efficiently. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful.